Back again to my channel, the Ruangtabroni channel. Now, we will try to draw a turtle. This is an example of a turtle image that will be created. Come on, let's try to start drawing a turtle, slowly. If it's too fast, friends can stop the video and then continue again. After giving color, now, we try drawing with the faster version. Thank you for watching, friends. Please try it. Good luck meeting you again.